What's up, guys? Filler for Contenders Pyt number 9. Going live. Timestamp is 504. Let's grab our list. This is for the Saints and the Lions. Top 2 draft. We pretty much know who's going to take the Saints. Dice has to be 4 more. It is a 5. Going 5 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final number 5. Spot 7. Moose and Brad. Moose and Brad. 7 and 4. UVGCZE is the code. We went 5 times. Congrats, Moose, which I believe. Who was Moose again? Mr. Chad Clement is the Moose Man. We are done. Oh, I think we just missed it. 504 just went to 505. Thanks, guys.